Welcome back, my home cooks and chef. Today we're gonna be making a chicken Alfredo with panini pasta, guys. This is a great dish for the family. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the ingredients. All right, you guys, we're gonna make chicken Alfredo with panini pasta. Very simple, easy dish using these 4 ingredients. What you have is 1 pound of boneless chicken thighs. You have a pack of panini pasta that takes 60 seconds to make. You got to have Alfredo sauce, obviously, and we're gonna have the secret ingredient, which is freshly Parmesan shaved cheese. You guys, let's get into making this. All right, so the next thing you want to do is heat up your Alfredo sauce from the jar. But I'm gonna show you one way to level up your, sauce using fresh Parmesan cheese. You guys, this will stand out from the rest. This will actually taste like it's straight from the restaurant. So a lot of people add this on top of their pasta after it's done, but you can also add it into the sauce. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna add it into the sauce. And this is how you get that flavor, that authentic flavor. So just add in probably like 4 tablespoons of it. And then mix it in. And let the cheese melt. Once the cheese melts, the sauce is done, you guys. And then we're gonna get into heating up the pasta. The chicken is actually being cooked right now. And once we finish all these ingredients, we're gonna assemble the chicken Alfredo pasta. All right, you guys, so we're gonna heat up this panini pasta. This is a really easy one that I saw in the store. So it can feed up to 2 people. And all you gotta do is just heat it up in the microwave for 60 seconds. There's no boiling involved or nothing. So you don't have to worry about you guys. If y'all just wanna have an easy and simple, pasta dish, this is one way to do it. And this is great, they have in the stores. So I'm about to stick this in the microwave. You heard that the chicken just beeped. So the grilled chicken is ready, the sauce is ready, and now all we need is just the pasta. So let's throw it into the microwave. All right, you guys, so chicken's ready. I'm gonna get ready to slice it up. I'm gonna get ready to plate it up. The pasta's in the microwave right now. It's almost done. And we'll be plating up our dish, you guys. So it's hot, so just be careful. But like I said, chop up your chicken. You can chop it up in small or large pieces, is up to you. Make sure you have a sharp knife when you cut it up. And this is not like beef, you guys, where you gotta wait for the rest. Just chop it up. All right, so you heard the pasta ready, so we're gonna get ready to do that. We're gonna assemble everything together. All right, so like I said, these are real simple ingredients. Got the plate ready. I'm about to bring over the sauce. We're gonna get to assembling everything. All right, so let's get to assembling. I'm really impressed with this packet. So I do recommend it. It's really good. Really had no issue with it. Now you're probably wondering like why you put the sauce on there. I don't actually like to put my pasta in my sauce. Now you can do that, mix everything together, make it real easy and stuff. But I like to add my sauce, after, because I might want to use my sauce for something else. So just plate it up, however you like. Got to make sure I have that nice B-roll footage of my pasta. So next, you want to do is add on top of your sauce. Add in your Alfredo sauce, you guys. Now, don't that look good? Some people like to drown their pasta in sauce. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. I can say I'm not that person, because I may do the same exact thing. But I like to make sure it's enough on there. All right, you guys, so that's enough. And now all we gotta do is add our chicken to the dish. You guys, now tell me, doesn't that look good? Now, is it that simple and easy? You guys, and last but not least, we added some Parmesan into the sauce. Now we can sprinkle a little on top. Alrighty. Now come on, don't that look like something you want to devour right now? Now I know I do. No, I'm about to in a second. But I'm trying to make it look all cute and everything. Make sure it looks right for you guys. And you can do the same presentation, like I said, when you cooking for your guests. You know, if it's just you. Now you can just make this just for yourself, or you make it, you know, for your family. Now what I noticed is this pack can probably feed about just 2 people. So just get 2. They're not that much. I think it's only about $2 at the most. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. This was a very easy one to simply make. Hopefully you make it, and thanks for coming through. I'm your Chef KC. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe.